In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate repetitive tasks using automation in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. Automation is a powerful feature in Pipedrive that can save you time and help streamline your workflow. By automating repetitive tasks, you free yourself to focus on what truly matters in your sales process. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see 3 dots icon there. That's where you need to click. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to select the option labeled Automations. This is the hub for all your automation needs, and you're about to make it work for you. Once you're in the Automation section, you'll want to look for the Add Automation button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. Now, here's where you can either choose a pre-made template for quick setups, or you can go the route of starting from scratch for more control over the automation process. If you're new to this, starting with a template might be easier, but customizing gives you complete freedom. Next up is setting the trigger for your automation. This is a crucial step, as it defines what event will kick off your workflow. You might want to set your automation to start when a new deal is created, or perhaps when a stage changes in your sales process. You could even set it off when a specific field in a deal is updated. Choose the event that makes the most sense for your workflow and get ready to refine the process. Now, once you've defined your trigger, it's time to add conditions. This is where you get to be specific about when your workflow should execute. For example, maybe you only want the automation to activate if the deal is worth more than a certain amount or resides within a specific pipeline. Adding conditions ensures that your automation runs only when it truly needs to, preventing unnecessary actions and making sure your setup is effective. Once you have your triggers and conditions sorted out, it's time to configure the action that Pipedrive will handle for you. This part is pretty exciting, as you get to choose what you want the system to do automatically. You might select options like sending out an email to your client, creating a follow-up task for yourself or your team, or updating a field within a deal. The possibilities are extensive, and it's all about what fits your business needs best. Finally, before you finish up, take a moment to review your entire workflow. Make sure everything looks good and functions as you intend. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button. And just like that, your automation is ready to go. The best part, it'll run quietly in the background, handling those repetitive tasks while you focus on closing deals and nurturing relationships. That's it for today. I hope you now feel empowered to eliminate the repetitive tasks in your workflow by using automation in Pipedrive. Remember, if you found this video